to see you
Good
again.
to see you. It's so good to have you back.
I'm so excited to be back. It's a beautiful day in New Caney, Texas.
You could not have picked a better day, that's for sure.
So last time I feel like I did so much. I did the obstacle course in the water, and I know today I'm going to be doing a bigger obstacle course.
That's right. Last time you were on Wild Isle, the obstacle course on the lake. This time you're going up in the air. So Eagles Challenge is 65 feet high.
Okay.
It's got over 50 different activities and obstacles. It's pretty tough, so don't stress yourself. We want you to keep coming back.
Okay, well, I'm dressed for it. I'm ready for it. I know afterwards, I'm probably going to be a little hungry. You want to meet for lunch after?
Yeah, so why don't we meet up for lunch out at the Ice House, and you'll have a great time.
All right, sounds good.
Thanks.
See you then. They have a lot of stuff to do here. To be honest, the last time I shot here, I thought I did everything, but apparently not, because there's still so much that I'm gonna do today, so I'm excited about that. Dude, I feel like I can't even do this on like ground. Like these ledges, these stairs, the ladder. I don't remember the last time I was on a ladder. First things first. That right? Or no, I didn't do it the wrong way? Already starting off. Ah! I feel like Tarzan. I'm one with the ropes. Or Jane. Oh my gosh, y'all. I literally thought I was gonna be gliding. I didn't know I was gonna be climbing this rope, but here we go. Ah! Oh my God. So they said the higher, the better on the rope. Not all the way too high. Okay, I'm going too high. Ah! Oh my gosh, dude. Look how dangerous I am. That was a full body workout. And when I say full body, I mean like brain. Like whole body. Thanks, girl. So this is the perfect meal after that obstacle challenge.
Oh yes, it's very American Ninja Warrior style. Yeah, I always tell people that I was on it for 2 hours and 45 minutes, and 45 minutes was the most fun I'd ever had.
Oh my gosh, yeah. But no, it was really fun. And then next up, I know I'm going to the petting zoo.
Yes.
Yeah, what type of like animals do you have here?
Well, the ones that are most popular is we had 5 baby goats born last month, and they are adorable. We have sheep, and we have chickens, and we have the bearded dragon, and the people that are really, really adventurous, we have giant Madagascar hissing cockroaches.
Oh
if you
my
really
gosh.
wanna, yes.
I'm down for all of it. What is this? What is in this? This is like a slushie.
That's the strawberry margarita. It's a slushie for grown-ups.
It's a
got
margarita?
tequila. Yeah.
Woo! Can't even taste it. That's dangerous.
So these are the brisket tacos.
Okay, yeah, that's sweet.
And they've got brisket, pickled onion, and cabbage. Probably one of our most popular sellers this spring.
I would come here just for the food. The food is so good. More from Big Rivers after the break. So on our way to the petting zoo. So some Madagascar cock. Wow, these are huge. Where do you find these? Is that a little baby one?
These are little babies.
Oh my goodness! I'm like saying that they're cute. Little babies! I feel like Britney Spears. My dog's gonna smell me like crazy when I get home. Oh my gosh. The last time I was here, I played with alligators. This time, I'm playing with goats and roaches. All right, axe throwing. Jackie, we're doing this. I'm redeeming myself.
I'll let you see if you can hit it.
I think it's because you're afraid that I'm gonna. You want to be on top.
I beat you last time.
Yeah, that you want to keep it that way. I told you this is redemption. Dang it.
They have to go in there. Wow, Tess. Jeez.
See, even
Just think, what would Jackie do? Oh, what'd I say?
that's so funny.
All right, next one, Tess.
Oh, archery. Okay.
You're gonna hold your left hand out, right? And then you're just gonna pull back like that with your right hand.
See, she always gets the one-on-one training. Every time Jackie gets the one-on-one training.
Good job. Yay, you got it.
Now we just know
Right.
this is my sport.
And I'm
Axon
an
is your
axon.
sport.
All right, I'll admit defeat.
Now we've got 3 of the tallest body slides in Houston. The first one is a straight drop. The second one has a little bit of a dip. The third one, it's got to be one of the longest body slides in Houston.
Oh, we made it. Okay, good job. Okay. I see kids going on this, so I'll be fine. I blacked out. YOLO! Oh my God!
So we will have the largest water-based obstacle course in North America. More slides, more swings, more obstacles, a lot of falling in the water, but it's well worth it.
That was so much fun! Okay, I am no longer afraid of these signs. I am back in action. All right, the summer concert series is about to start, so I'm gonna go check them out later.